This is a shipment tracking timeline like the ones you see on Fedbox or Amazon. It looks simple, but when you try to build it yourself, aligning the icons and drawing the vertical line gets tricky really fast. In this video, I will show you how to build this responsive timeline using clean HTML and pure CSS in a way that easy to use later in real projects. Let's start with HTML because the structure make everything easier. I'm using an ordered list OL. Since this is a sequence of events, each list item has two main parts. The left side the timeline graphics and the right side the text and the date. Keeping these two parts separate makes the layout much easier to control. In CSS we start with each list item in flex container. This places the timeline and text side by side. Now let's style the check icon that will present complete steps. Now let's handle complete first pending steps. A timeline step can be completed, show the check icon, or not completed, show the gray circle. Instead of writing different HTML for each case, we have include both elements in the markup, and we let CSS decide which one to show. We hide the check icon by default, and we create the default gray circle. This is our pending state, and we switch when the step is completed. Now we draw the vertical line, which is the tricky part. The vertical line must stretch automatically between items. Using top 0 and bottom 0 makes the line stretch automatically without calculating height. When step is complete, we also change the line color. And last but not least, we add spacing between timeline items. We use padding here instead of margin, so the vertical line stays continuous with no gaps. This timeline now is easy to reuse in real projects. Later, JavaScript or backend could simply toggle the done class dynamically. That's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe for more real-world front-end components. See you in the next video.